Strong jobs report sends dollar flying as Bitcoin falls below $111,000. End of BTC bull market. Bitcoin. Strong jobs report sends dollar flying as Bitcoin falls below $111,000 with rate cut odds dropping to 85.5%. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. A surprisingly strong U.S. jobs report thrusted financial markets this week, sending the dollar flying while Bitcoin tumbled below $111,000. Initial jobless claims dropped by 14,000 to 218,000 in the third week of September, marking a 2-month low, while Q2 GDP growth was revised upward to 3.8% from 3.3%. The upbeat economic data lifted the U.S. dollar index, DXY, to a 3-week high, rising 0.3% on the day, but weighed heavily on risk assets, with Bitcoin now testing support near $111,000. Economic strength slashes rate cut odds as Bitcoin falls below $111,000. Bloomberg terminal data show that the fresh economic data weakens the case for rapid Fed cuts. After last week's 25 BP cut, Fed Governor Miron pushed for faster easing, but Powell urged caution. Odds of an October rate cut have now gone down to 85.5% from 92%, according to data from CME Group's FedWatch tool. Glassnode Market Insights also revealed that Bitcoin is showing signs of exhaustion. ETF inflows, once a key absorber of Bitcoin supply, slowed sharply around the FOMC meeting, and long-term holder distribution accelerated, creating a fragile balance in flows. This weakness extends to spot and futures markets, suggesting increasing exhaustion. With short-term holders' $111,000 cost basis now serving as key support, this level must hold to prevent further downside. Additionally, BTC has slipped below the 0.95 cost basis quantile, a key risk band that often marks profit-taking zones. Reclaiming it would indicate renewed strength, but failure to do so risks a drift toward lower support levels around $105,000 to $90,000. In addition, geopolitical uncertainty over the Russia-Ukraine conflict, amid reports of Russian jet interceptions over Alaska, has added to market weakness. Ongoing conflicts in Gaza have also prompted traders to seek safe haven assets, such as gold, leaving Bitcoin struggling to attract new inflows. However, some market analysts see this as a temporary bearish case. Analysts and long-term investors confident BTC bull market not yet over. Crypto analyst Rekt Capital revealed that while Bitcoin is struggling below $112,000, the 21-week EMA keeps climbing to try to reclaim $114,200 to invalidate the bearish setup. He confirmed that the BTC price needs to remain above this EMA going forward to position for a reclaim of bullish territory and attempt a new high. The consensus belief remains that Bitcoin and the general market may go lower, but the bull run is not over. Bitcoin is still trading at a range low with an inverse head and shoulders setting up, and as of right now, punching in a higher low. The price is also following typical seasonality and pullbacks that in 4 of the last 5 years have done nearly the same thing before the market flies in October into November and beyond. Despite the short-term weakness, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong believes Bitcoin (BTC) could reach $1 million by 2030. Similarly, crypto billionaire and former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes also forecast that Bitcoin would reach $1 million and could even surge as high as $3.4 million by 2028. The prediction hinges on Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent implementing yield curve control policies that could trigger massive money printing, creating what Hayes calls a once-in-a-century change of the global monetary architecture. Technical analysis. Bitcoin's $116,000 rejection points to $108,000 target. On the technical front, the Bitcoin 1-hour chart shows that price is broken down from the upward channel that supported the recent rally, slipping below the $116,000 resistance and testing the $112,000 support zone. The failed breakout attempts around resistance suggest that sellers have gained control, and the recent drop confirms weakening momentum. At the moment, Bitcoin is hovering just above support at $111,000 to $112,000, which is a key level to watch. If this area holds, a bounce could see the price retest the $116,000 resistance. However, if the support breaks decisively, it would likely open the door for further downside, possibly extending toward $108,000. Overall, the chart reflects a shift in short-term sentiment from bullish to cautious, with the next move hinging on whether support holds or fails. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Ripple joins BlackRock in $700 million off-ramp deal, $1,000 XRP possible. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Solana by the end of 2025. Ethereum price prediction. Billion-dollar firm BlackRock pumps $500 million into ETH, $10,000 just weeks away. Why is crypto down today? September 24th, 2025 crypto price prediction today, September 23rd, XRP, Solana, Cardano. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. ETH could explode higher as $10 billion in short bets hang by a thread. 2 days ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Blockchain news. Crypto market suffers 2% drop as Bitcoin tumbles and $1.7 billion liquidations mount. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Bitcoin news. Crypto billionaire Arthur Hayes predicts $3.4 million Bitcoin by 2028. What does he know? 2 days ago, by Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 6 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.